Amazing.
Okay, I'm recording. Go. I'll follow you. Let's go. Oh, hey.
Hello.
You ready? I'll go with you.
Where's Chad?
He's gonna do the gate real quick. He's up there. Do you want to see him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come here. He's gonna go down in a second. He's right there. We'll watch him for just a second, okay?
He's in the white disguise.
Ready? Watch the gate.
Okay, he's getting ready.
Isn't that cool, kid?
What?
Isn't that so cool?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he's loading up. Go, Chad, go!
Go, Chad, go!
I believe in Chad.
That is a blister. Well, that's all I can do is paddle with the glove. Can't take
What's up, Uncle Robert? Good, how you doing?
Chad, go!
He goes, he's gonna drop in. You ready?
Riding the bike for hours now.
Okay, riders.
Awesome.
Random start.
Awesome.
Riders, ready? Watch the gate.
Here he goes. You ready? Woohoo!
Dada, I want to go on there.
Okay, come on. We're gonna go practice in the hills, okay?
Yeah.
Did you want to sign up and race? Did you want to do a race?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No?
It's up to you, baby.
Do you want to do the track one time and see what you think?
Okay, riders. Random start.
Come on. Let's go practice.
Ready? Watch the gate.
Dada,
Yes, baby.
Mama, I don't, and Dada, I don't.
Yeah, I know. You're not a fan of these, huh? Just not a fan. I feel it. I feel it. Okay, I'm gonna go put them back, okay?
Let's rock and roll. Oh, that feels better? Gives you a little more mobility, huh? Chrissy, remember where we're going to practice?
What?
Where we're going to practice putting up the shed?
Is Dad right there? Dad!
Follow him.
Okay, riders. Random start. Ready? Watch the gate.
Hey, wait, Brielle, wait. So these guys go past, okay? Oh, fast they are.
So fast.
Ready, set, activate, Brielle, let's go.
Riders, y'all be careful. We got little pros on the track. We do have little pros on the track.
You're already going? You're doing so good. Okay, now feet up and go. You got this, girl.
I can't.
Drop in. I got you. I'm not gonna let you fall. I'm not gonna let you fall, baby.
Shinedown has raised over 300 grand for COVID-19 relief.
I'm not gonna let you fall ever.
I think I'm gonna hold up my ball.
Nice. You ready? Feet up. Okay. Now keep going.
Shinedown supporters visit Atlas Falls for the Eagle.
I'm good, Mama. I'm okay.
Remember, just one little step at a time. Remember?
Step,
One
step,
little step at a time.
step, step.
There you go. Hey, you got this one, kiddo. One little step at a time.
You ready? You ready? Hey, look at me. I'm not gonna let you fall, okay?
One little step. Just a little step. You got it.
And when you're ready, you done.
Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Come on, baby.
One little step.
You my brain for you?
What you thinking?
Say Geronimo. Say Geronimo!
Brielle, you did the last hill and that was just as big. You can do this one.
You ready?
You got it.
Here, I'll help you one more time. You ready? Say hi, Chatter. Feet up. Ready? Feet up. Go. Feet up. Go. Face forward. Feet up. Woo!
There you go.
I want to do it again.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Go, girl. Go.
Remember, little steps, little steps.
No.
You got it. Watch. Here comes Uncle Robert. Watch him. Look at Uncle Robert, baby. Look at him go.
Can you believe how fast he is?
Okay, you ready? Come on, just little steps, little steps, little steps. One little step at a time.
Show me what you got, girl.
One little step at a time.
Remember, I won't let you fall, okay? It's like a driveway. I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
Here comes Chad.
Show me what you got.
Step at a time. Little steps at a time. You got it, baby.
Hey. Oh, you got this. I'm not gonna let you fall, remember?
Little steps, little steps.
Come on, girlie. Hey, don't worry about them. Look at me. What happened? What's wrong?
I'm just too scared.
Hey, look at me. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy's eyes. I'm not gonna let you fall, am I? Have I ever let you fall so far?
Mm-hmm.
I have? Uh-oh. I'm a bad dad now.
No.
No. Hey, what's the most important part of falling?
Get back up.
That's my girl. You got this. This is no problem, okay? Am I gonna let you fall? Okay, then here, look. Look where my hands are. Hey, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Watch out for Chatter. Let's wait a second. Ready? You wanna beat Chad?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, up to this hill, girl.
Okay, come on, baby. Little steps, little steps. You
This
got
is the
it.
easy one.
This is the easiest one.
Dad's not gonna let you
Little
fall,
steps,
okay?
little steps.
Look at me. Only me, look at me. Gotta look at you. You are so brave.
Dada, I don't want the camera watching me.
You what?
I don't want it.
Okay.